India is the world's largest extractor of groundwater, accounting for 25% of global withdrawals, with 242 billion cubic extracted in 2023-24. 12% assessment units are classified as overexploited, with extraction exceeding replenishable recharge. 56% of Indian districts have nitrate levels beyond the safe limits in their groundwater. 409 districts have reported fluoride contamination. 204 districts have noted arsenic contamination. Low groundwater availability due to crystalline aquifer defecting states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Kerala. Implementing rooftop rainwater harvesting system and recharging bore wells can significantly contribute to maintaining healthy groundwater level and mitigating the crisis. Our unique invention of rainwater harvesting system One Drop helps recharge groundwater aquifers. Rainwater is collected from rooftops and directed into this multi-stage filtration system. The collected rainwater passes through a multi-stage filtration process, removing solid and micro-contaminants. Then the filtered rainwater recharged into the bore wells, replenishing groundwater aquifers. The One Drop rainwater harvesting system helps conserve water by reducing stormwater runoff and increasing groundwater recharge, as well as reduce flood risks in metropolitan cities. This multi-stage filtration system helps maintain healthy groundwater level and mitigating the impact of drought and ensure water availability during dry periods. Recharging bore wells with One Drop rainwater harvesting system helps dilute contaminants, improve groundwater quality, sustainable groundwater level, ensuring a consistent extraction rate and reducing the risk of aquifer depletion. This approach can be an effective way to manage groundwater resources, especially in areas with high water demand or contamination issues. This system specifically designed for borewell recharging and helping maintain healthy groundwater level. The initial stage of filtration involves a stainless steel perforated pipe which likely removes solid contaminants like leaves and moss. A biochemical foam cartridge involves in secondary stage filtration process. This cartridge is used for absorb pollutants, immobilize microorganisms and improve the efficiency of activated sludges. Activated carbon involves in final stage filtration process. It can reduce the quality of lead dissolved radon. It works like a sponge absorbing contaminants from roof water. India's annual groundwater quality report 2024 reveals alarming contamination level, posing threat to water security, public health and agriculture, presence of contaminants like fluoride, nitrate, and heavy metals in groundwater. Excessive fluoride consumption can lead to fluorosis, a condition characterized by discoloration and damage to teeth and bones. High nitrate level in groundwater can cause methanoglobinema, a condition that reduces the ability of red blood cells to carry oxygen, particularly affecting infants and vulnerable population. One Drop multi-stage rainwater harvesting system offers a sustainable solution for this crisis. This unique invention of the Inspire organization effectively collects, filters and recharges rainwater into the ground, enhancing groundwater level and improving water quality.